Good day children, Sai Ram and welcome back to our next lesson in geography, that is International Date Line. Now children, we have already learned in our previous classes about the prime meridian. Yes or no children? Now this is something new over here, that is International Date Line. So let's learn about this International Date Line in this lesson. Okay children? First of all, if you all remember, whatever we have learned in our previous classes, just answer these questions. Which meridian is used to determine world standard time? Which meridian is used to determine world standard time? Which meridian children? Yes, correct. The meridian which is at 0 degree. Okay, this red color meridian which you can see over here. Okay, the meridian which is at 0 degree is used to determine world standard time. And what do we call this meridian as? We call it as prime meridian. Okay, and what are the other names for prime meridian? Greenwich Mean Time, that is GMT. Okay children. Next question. Which meridian determines Indian Standard Time? Which meridian determines Indian Standard Time? Now, you can see over here, children, these are the various meridians. This we have learned just now, that is 0 degree meridian. Then this, then this, then this. These are all called as meridians. Yes or no children? Now from these meridians, which meridian is determining the Indian Standard Time? Now here you can see India. Okay, in India, from India, here you can see this meridian. Okay, this meridian which is passing from here, you can see over here, from Uttar Pradesh. Okay, this meridian which is passing from Uttar Pradesh, which is at 82.5 degree east. Okay, from this meridian we can determine Indian Standard Time, that is IST. Okay, from which meridian meridian determines Indian Standard Time? The meridian which is passing through Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and which is at 82.5 degree east, that is 82.5 degree east. Okay, this meridian is the Indian Standard Time. Okay, whatever time is there at this longitude, that is the time for the whole country. We have learnt about it in our earlier classes. Yes or no children? Okay, so the next question. What is the time difference between the GMT and the IST? Just now I have told you what is GMT and what is IST. GMT is the World Standard Time, that is Greenwich Mean Time, and IST is the Indian Standard Time. Now what is the time difference between them? Yes children, we have learned many a time about this. Okay, in our earlier classes we have learned what is the time difference between the GMT and the IST. What is the time difference? It is nearly 5.5 hours. Okay, 5.5 hours time difference is there between the GMT and the IST. Okay children. Now the next thing. Now we bid adieu to the year 2016 and welcome the new year 2017. Okay, that means when we are saying goodbye, when we did goodbye to the year 2016 and welcome the new year 2017. When we welcomed it? On Saturday midnight. Okay, when we were welcoming the new year and when we are saying goodbye to the old year, that is 2016, that time it was Saturday midnight in India. Similarly, other countries also welcome the new year. Okay, now the following table is going to show you when we were doing goodbye to the year 2016 and welcoming the new year. That time, what timing the other countries were having. Let's have a look at this table. Now you can see over here this table. Country, city, day and Indian time. Okay. Now when England, that is London, was celebrating their new year, that time in India it was already Sunday 5:30. Okay, what was the timing in India that time? 5:30. And England was celebrating their new year. Okay, when Japan Tokyo was celebrating their new year, then what was the time in India that time? Yes, it was Saturday 8:30, that is 20:30. That means, had we already finished our new year that time? No. Okay, we had not finished our new year that time. It was only 8:30 at that time, 8:30 p.m. that time. Okay, when Japan had already celebrated New Year. When Japan already was celebrating New Year, that time in India it was only 8:30. Now the next country or city. USA, New York. When USA, New York was celebrating their New Year, that time it was Sunday 10:30 in India. What was the timing in India? 10:30 Sunday. That means already New Year had started in India. Okay, it was 10:30 in the morning. Okay, and also Sunday 10:30 morning when we had finished celebrating our New Year. Okay, and USA New York was celebrating the New Year. Now the next, USA Baker Island. When USA Baker Island was celebrating their New Year, then what was the timing in India that time? It was already Sunday 5:13. Okay, Sunday, that is 5:30 p.m. That is already evening in India. Okay, nextly is Australia Sydney. When Australia Sydney was celebrating their New Year, that time, let's see what was the timing in India. In India, it was Saturday 6:30. Saturday 6:30 p.m. it was. That means, had we finished our New Year? No. Okay, we were still traveling towards New Year. Okay, so when Australia Sydney already celebrated their New Year, that time we were still on Saturday 6:30's timing. While if you see the next one, New Zealand, that is Auckland. Okay, and New Zealand Auckland was celebrating their New Year. That time, had we finished our celebrating our New Year? What was the timing in India? Saturday 4:30. Okay, still we were on Saturday 4:30's timing. Okay, then Samoa Island, that is Apia. When Samoa Island was celebrating their New Year, that time what was the timing in India? It was Saturday 3:30. Okay, it was Saturday 3:30. Next is Tuvalu, that is Funafuti Island. Okay, when they were celebrating their New Year, that time it was 5:30 Saturday in India. Okay, so now children, what did you understand from this table over here? That is, some of the countries had already finished their New Year. Okay, while some of the countries were still had to celebrate their New Year. Okay, when we had already finished celebrating our New Year. Okay, and we were in the next day. That time some of the countries were celebrating their New Year. Okay, this is what we have understood from this table given over here. Okay, 24-hour clock. Okay, this was showing the timing of India when these countries were celebrating their new year. Okay, children. Now let's try this. You have to complete a following table to understand the time difference on different meridians. Okay, you have to understand the time difference between the different meridians when it is 12 noon at the prime meridian. Prime meridian means which meridian? Yes, the 0 degree meridian. When at 0 degree meridian it is 12 noon. 12 noon here means 12 afternoon. Then what is the timing at various meridians at that particular time itself? Okay, just to understand this, we have to complete the table. I'll show you which table. Okay, different meridians have different timings at the same time. For example, if it is 12 noon at prime meridian, if it is 12 noon at prime meridian, then it will be 8 a.m. at 60 degree west. Okay, it will be only 8 a.m. at 60 degree west. While if you see, it will be 4 p.m. at 60 degree east. At 60 degree west it is 8 a.m. while 60 degree east it is already 4 p.m. Okay, so much of a time difference is there. Okay, different meridians have different timings. If it is 12 noon at the prime meridian, 8 a.m. at 60 degree west and 4 p.m. at 60 degree east. Now let's discuss about the timings in on the various meridians by taking into consideration two students, that is Meenal and Sunil. Okay, we'll take into consideration two students. Okay, that is Meenal and Sunil, and we are going to make them go into two opposite direction from the 0 degree meridian. Okay, these two children on their journey to circumvent the earth. Okay, that means to travel the full earth. Okay, these two children on their journey to circumvent the earth from 0 degree meridian, which is at 12 noon Thursday. Okay, so this Meenal and Sunil, they are going to stand at 0 degree meridian where the timing is 12 noon Thursday. Now what they are going to do, they are going to cross each other at 180 degree meridian. Okay, both are going to go in opposite direction and they are going to cross each other at 180 degree meridian. Now what is this 180 degree meridian talking about? The meridian which is just opposite to the 0 degree meridian. Okay, the meridian which is just opposite to the 0 degree meridian is called as 180 degree meridian. I'll show you the globe. Wait. Yes. Children, you can see over here, this part is your 0 degree meridian, correct? Exactly opposite to this, you can see this from the top it is going. Okay, exactly opposite to this is your 180 degree meridian. Okay, so here if the 0 degree meridian is ending, okay, here is your 0 degree meridian. If it is ending over here, then exactly opposite to 0 degree meridian we have the 180 degree meridian. Okay, children. Okay, when Sunil returned back to 0 degree meridian, okay, when Sunil is going around the from 0 degree, when he is circumventing the earth, when he is returning back to 0 degree, he thought it was Friday. He is thinking that it is Friday. When Meenal is returning back to 0 degree meridian, she is thinking that it is Wednesday. So much of a confusion. Okay, one is thinking it is Friday, one is thinking it is Wednesday. what is the actual day, whether it is Friday or whether it is Wednesday. Okay, about this confusion we are going to learn in our next lecture. Okay children, thank you.